Hi guys, we have here a fishing bone. So, Nay. Let's do it again. Wait lang. Against the light.
Nakunan mo.
Ako, UP. UP pa rin, UP. And makapag-school. Yun lang.
Nakapag-school.
Okay.
Sorry.
Mahina.
Go.
Go.
Ah!
Ako talaga ang bida sa kwento ko, guys. Isa pa. Asan yung pinagputulan mo na eh?
Ay, sorry.
Hindi tapon. Isa pa.
Meron pa isa?
Pag ako to, main character talaga. Okay. Yun lang. Mamon, huwag kang apple dyan. Okay, amoy mo yung cellphone. Ayun. Sige. UP pa rin, UP. And makapag-school.
Go.
Go. 1, 2, 3, go. Talaga. Natalo.
You need this?
Hmm? Okay, go. Ang winish ni nanay mamit daw si Ken. ng SB19. Okay, guys. Bye-bye. That's all. Okay, next group.